I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to go to your taskbar at the bottom here. Then click on search. Then on the search for settings. Then open settings. Then go to update and security. Then come to troubleshoot. Then come to additional troubleshooter. Then you now click internet connections. Then run the troubleshooter. So this is going to take a few seconds. As you can see, it has already come. Now click on troubleshoot my connection to the internet. So this troubleshooter will detect the problem, and if it finds the problem, it will fix it automatically. So as you can see, it is looking for the problem in the network adapter, and it is collecting configuration details. You'll be able to see the trouble that is in your network or with your internet. And if still you could not fix the problem using this troubleshooting, you are going to close this one. Then you will go back to home, network and internet. Then you will come to Wi-Fi. Then once you are here, you will go to change adapter option on your right. Then this window will pop up. So you'll be able to see Wi-Fi, you'll be able to see Ethernet and local connection. So if you are connecting your computer to Wi-Fi, you will click on Wi-Fi. Then you will see these options at the top here. So what you are going to do is to click on disable this network device. Then after you disable it, as you can see, it is already disabled. Now you need to enable this network device again. Just click on enable this network device. So as you can see, the network has been enabled. So you just need to click on connect to. So as you can see now, the Wi-Fi icon is visible. So you just need to click on to turn it on. Then you can select the Wi-Fi that you will connect. So as you can see, it is already connected and you can access now the internet. So that's simply it, guys. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if you have found this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.